Hisense L9Q Ultra Short Throw Laser TVA Flagship 4K Home Cinema Experience. The Hisense L9Q is a premium ultra short throw, used laser TV designed to deliver a true cinematic experience in the comfort of your home. Positioned as one of Hisense's most advanced projection systems, it combines triple laser technology, ultra-bright performance, Dolby Vision support, and integrated high-end audio to compete directly with large-format premium TVs and high-end home theater projectors. It is built for users who want a massive screen experience without the complexity of traditional projector setups. Premium design and installation simplicity, the Hisense L9Q follows a clean, modern design philosophy typical of high-end laser TVs. Instead of requiring ceiling mounts or long-distance placement, it sits just inches from the wall while projecting an enormous image. This ultra-short throw design makes it ideal for living rooms, apartments, and dedicated media spaces. With a compact yet solid chassis, the L9Q blends into home interiors like a luxury media console. Despite housing advanced laser optics and a powerful sound system, it avoids a bulky industrial look. The design focuses on simplicity, elegance, and ease of installation, making it accessible even for users who are new to projection systems. Advanced triple laser 4K display technology. At the core of the L9Q is Hisense's LPU, Digital Laser Engine 2.0, powered by a triple RGB laser light source. Unlike traditional lamp or single laser projectors, this system uses separate red, green, and blue lasers to produce a highly accurate and vibrant image. Key display specifications include resolution 4Ku HD 3840x2160, brightness up to 5000 ANSI lumens, contrast ratio 5000 to 1 color demit, 110% B20 wide color coverage, screen size range 80 inches to 200 inches. The result is a picture that remains sharp, colorful, and visible even in well-lit rooms. This makes the L9Q significantly more versatile than traditional projectors, which typically require dark environments for optimal performance. The inclusion of Pantone color validation ensures accurate and natural color reproduction, especially for skin tones, landscapes, and cinematic content. This level of precision is particularly important for movie enthusiasts and content creators who demand professional-grade image fidelity. Ultra-short throw flexibility for modern homes. One of the strongest advantages of the Hisense L9Q is its 0.18 to 1 throw ratio, allowing it to project massive screen sizes from just a few inches away from the wall. This means users can enjoy a 100 to 120-inch cinema screen in a standard living room, up to 200 inches for a full theater experience. No need for ceiling mounts or long cable installations. This flexibility makes the L9Q extremely practical. Unlike traditional projectors that require careful alignment and distance calculations, the L9Q offers a plug-and-play cinema solution with minimal setup effort. Smart TV experience with Google TV. The L9Q runs on Google TV, providing a smooth, modern smart interface that integrates all major streaming platforms. Users get instant access to popular services such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and many more. The interface is intuitive and content-focused, offering personalized recommendations and voice search via Google Assistant. This eliminates the need for external streaming devices, making the L9Q a complete entertainment hub. Connectivity options are also extensive, including HDMI inputs with HDMI 2.1 support, USB ports, Ethernet, and optical audio output. This ensures compatibility with gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and external sound systems if needed. Devialet-tuned immersive audio system. A standout feature of the Hisense L9Q is its integrated 6.2 two-channel speaker system tuned by Devialet, a brand known for high-end acoustic engineering. This built-in sound system delivers deep, room-filling bass clear and balanced dialogue height channels for immersive spatial audio. Cinema-grade tuning optimized for movies and TV. Unlike most projectors that require external soundbars or AV receivers, the L9Q provides a complete audio-visual experience out of the box. This makes it especially appealing for users who want simplicity without sacrificing sound quality. HDR performance and image processing. The Hisense L9Q supports a wide range of HDR formats, including Dolby Vision HDR10 plus HDR10HLG. These technologies enhance contrast, brightness, and color depth scene by scene, ensuring that both dark and bright scenes retain detail and realism. Additionally, the projector uses AI-powered image processing to dynamically optimize picture quality. This includes real-time adjustments for brightness, contrast, motion smoothing, and color balance. The result is a consistently polished image across different types of content such as movies, sports, and gaming. Gaming performance for large-scale play. The L9Q is also designed with gamers in mind. It supports low input lag performance and 4K gaming at 60 Hz, making it suitable for modern consoles like PlayStation and Xbox. A dedicated game mode reduces latency and enhances responsiveness, ensuring smoother gameplay. While it may not target competitive esports players requiring ultra-high refresh rates, it is ideal for immersive single-player and casual gaming experiences on a massive screen. Playing games on a 120 to 200-inch display significantly enhances immersion, turning any living room into a gaming theater. Price and market position. The Hisense L9Q is positioned in the premium home cinema segment. Price, around $5,999 USD. Availability. Select global markets via Hisense official stores and authorized retailers. It competes with high-end use projectors from brands like Epson, Samsung, and LG, as well as large old and mini LED TVs. However, its combination of extreme brightness, large screen capability, and integrated sound system gives it a unique advantage. Final verdict. The Hisense L9Q Ultra Short Throw Laser TV is a complete home cinema solution designed for users who want a massive screen experience without the complexity of traditional projection systems. With its triple laser 4K engine, ultra-bright 5000 ANSI lumens output, Devialet-tuned audio system, and Google TV integration, it delivers one of the most advanced all-in-one entertainment experiences available today. It is best suited for home theater enthusiasts, users wanting a 100 to 200-inch screen in living rooms, people who prefer built-in audio without extra equipment, gamers seeking immersive large-screen play, while its premium price places it in the high-end category. The L9Q justifies its cost with cutting-edge performance, convenience, and cinematic scale. It is not just a projector, it is a full next-generation home entertainment system designed to replace both TVs and traditional projector setups.